How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to fix your posture while sleeping. So the reason why most of us have shitty posture is from sitting all day, but also because we do not exercise as often either. When you're sitting throughout the day, you're not on your feet, you're not exercising, you're not doing anything. So because we're sitting all day on our computers, we're hunched over, our posture is not good, we don't go outside as regularly as we used to. Most of the time now we're sitting on the computer, we're playing video games, we're watching TV. So this leads to a bad posture, your shoulders round, and that's common, you guys. So how can you actually fix your posture while sleeping? Well, what you don't know is that a lot of the ways that you sleep can actually impact how your posture is going to be. A great example, the worst way that you can possibly sleep, the worst fucking way, hands down, is going to be sleeping on your stomach. By far the worst way. Do not sleep like this ever. So another common way that people sleep is they sleep on their side. Sleep like this in the fetal position, you guys. So believe it or not, the fetal position isn't that good either, because your shoulders, your neck, your spine, everything should align. When you're sleeping like that, your neck is tilted, everything is not aligned, you guys. It's not that good of a way to sleep. So what people recommend, what a lot of experts recommend if you do sleep like this, is to put a pillow beneath or between your legs. So this should help your posture a little bit better. But if you want to sleep the best way possible, and if you want to actually improve your posture while doing it, simply sleep on your back. That is right, lay on your back, you guys. Very simple, very easy, very effective. Now, some people are going to be like, well, I snore a little bit. That's okay if you snore a little bit, you guys. That little bit of snoring isn't going to hurt anyone. I mean, if you do have a girlfriend, a wife, and they get extremely upset about that, then you could move into sleeping into the fetal position with the pillow between your legs. But in my opinion, most people don't even realize it. I started sleeping on my back. Way better, you guys. Was there snoring? Not really. I asked my fiance and she said that no, she can never hear me snore, you guys. So extremely good. That's what I do now. It actually does help your posture. Again, what people do from all the sitting, their posture's all rounded, that also can cause some anterior pelvic tilt as well. So a good way to fix that, again, sleep on your back. Make sure when you're standing straight, you guys, you keep your chest out and you keep your shoulders tall. A lot of people just don't know good posture. Chest should be out, shoulders should be back, relaxed. It should look like this, you guys. You should have good posture. So I'm going to leave that with you guys. Start sleeping on your back. Most people don't realize that, and it will go a long way in improving your posture. So end of video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks for watching.